All right, here's my EnviroCloth, and I'm going to turn on the faucet, get it wet, and Louie wants to help out, as you can see, and turn it off, and then I'm just going to wring this out. And now you can see it's just damp. Do you approve, Louie? Do you approve? I'm embarrassed to show you how incredibly dirty my Can-Am is, but I want to go riding today, and as you can see, it's a gorgeous day outside. But you'll be able to see just how dusty and very buggy and dirty my windshield is on my Can-Am. It's very messy. You can see how dirty it is. And I'm going to take that EnviroCloth that I just dampened, and I'm going to wipe this bike down, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to polish the windshield clean, and I'm also going to show you my helmet screen. It also has many bugs on it, but you'll get to see how incredibly gross bird poop, how clean my Can-Am will be once I'm done. Let's start on this buggy windscreen. Everyone knows how dry and crusted on bug squash is on your windows, and you can see with the EnviroCloth, how quickly and easily it comes off. And for the rain splatter on the other side, I'll get a dip under here. I couldn't have bought a better polish cleaner than what this EnviroCloth does to clean my window. Oh. And it looks like my husband needs to get in the driveway, so I need to move. Sorry for that interruption. Here we go. And as you can see, I've only used the EnviroCloth. I haven't even used the window polish rag yet. The window cloth. Now we'll use the window cloth. Could it possibly get any cleaner than that? I don't know. So here's the window cloth. I really don't know that it's even going to get any cleaner. At any rate, you can see there are absolutely no more bugs on my windscreen. And you've seen how dirty my Can-Am is, so I still need to clean it. But I'll show you the after once I'm done. Okay, here we are. You can see that bird poop got out. It's reflecting the tree above us. It's so nice and shiny. And folks, I only use the EnviroCloth. I was going to also use the window cloth, but I really didn't need to. I did use the window cloth on the mirrors. You can see how clean and pollen free now they are. And you can see how well the EnviroCloth cleaned up my Can-Am that was filthy. No more bugs. Alright guys, to complete this little motorcycle riding series, you can see we just finished the Can-Am back there, but I forgot to show you how buggy my helmet windscreen is, or helmet face thing. Let's take a look at how bad it is. This is pretty gross. See that? All that bug smatter. Disgusting. Alright, I'm going to clean it here in just a minute. Hold on. Okay. I'm going to use the same EnviroCloth that I used to wipe down the bike. And I'm going to show you. And that, friends, if I don't fog up my helmet, you can see how clean that EnviroCloth just got this whole helmet. All while you were watching. Sorry for the extra noise. I'm ready to ride.